Okay. Ooh. What? Did you see that? What? Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about detangling and softening up the new growth, especially if you are stretching your relaxer. I don't have a detangler, so you know when you're trying to detangle your hair and the comb gets stuck at the roots, and sometimes you say, okay, let me just put some oil to try and soften up the new growth. Or sometimes you use their moisturizer to try to soften up the new growth in order to detangle, in order to style your hair. Well, I just bought this. I just bought this from Amazon, and I really want to try it and see how well it works with detangling my hair. So if you're new to my channel, I am HairObsess JC, and hey guys, for those of you who keep coming back, remember to like the video if you have tried this and have enjoyed using it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is separating my hair into sections. I'm 8 weeks post in this video, so I think the best thing for me to do is to separate my hair into a few sections so that I can get down to the roots. So now that I have my hair separated in sections, I'm now going to start from the ends of the hair going upwards. Now, as you know, if you're stretching your relaxer past 8 weeks, it's impossible for you to run the comb through the roots like that and come out. Normally I would just start from the bottom going to the roots, but because the root is tangled and it's kind of coarse, it's going to be difficult for me in order to detangle my hair, not only to wash my hair, not only to style my hair, but I have to detangle it in order to do these things. So because today is my wash day, I'm going to first detangle my hair by trying out this product. So we're going to be trying out that today. I haven't detangled as yet. I would usually use my DIY detangler. Okay, you guys can check the description box for that video. Okay, so now let's just see. I'm going to be shaking it up. I don't know if I need to shake it up. And I'm going to be starting from the bottom, going up. I'm going to work that in. Okay, the roots are still not damp to my liking. So I'm just going to go a little bit closer and spray, 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 spray. And I'm going to work that in with my hands first. And then I'm going to get ready to detangle. Okay. Ooh. What? Did you see that? What? Did you just see that? Wow. And I'm not even getting any tugs. So now that that did that for my new growth, how well would this product work on natural hair? I'm super excited to try it out on my daughter's hair to see how well it detangles, because what I normally do for her hair is to pre-poo, and I'll use my pre-poo as the detangler using my fingers to work it through her natural hair. But did you see what just happened? Let's try that again. Now this is a bigger section, so I think I would need, so I haven't done anything as yet to this section. I haven't even put the comb through this section as yet. Okay, let's do this again. So we're using the Mane Tale Detangler. Mind you, this is the only product that I've purchased from Amazon to detangle my hair. In the past, I would make my DIY detangler but this is a game changer. Starting from the tips. Of course, you're going to use common sense. You're not going to saturate the hair and make it dripping wet. Please, come on. So we're going to, and I'm going to make sure that I'm getting the roots. Since this is a bigger section, I'm going to try and separate the hair a little bit like so. And work that in. Let your hands or your fingers tell you how much you need to apply to this section. I think I have that well worked in. Let me just spritz a little bit more. Most of your attention should be applied to the new growth, since we're trying not to break our hair off, since we want the new growth to be soft enough in order to detangle our hair. Now your aim is to make sure that the line of demarcation is not separating or you're bursting your hair. If that makes sense, remember to like this video. Okay, here we go. Starting from the bottom. We go back a little bit. Starting from the bottom. Here we go. Here we go. We're going. We're now at the roots. Did you see that? Did you see this? Are you seeing that? What? Why did nobody tell me about this before? Game changer. Look at this. What? Now that's a detangler. Now that's how you detangle your hair. You hear me? That's not recommended, okay? Don't do that. So try and use your fingers and work it through, knowing how much you need to apply to make sure that the new growth is being at least saturated somewhat in order to detangle your hair. So now I'm going to start from the bottom. I'd really love to see if this is a product for natural hair, especially if you're trying to detangle, getting to that point where you want to detangle your hair to do your deep conditioning. Seriously, I am impressed with this product. There you have it. As you can see, you guys, this product does work. I do recommend it. If you are searching for a detangler, this is a game changer. Please check it out. I'm going to leave the link to this product in the description box below. So far, so good. I do recommend that you guys really look into this Mane Tale Detangler. I think I'm going to purchase another one because I think I'm in love. Thanks for watching, you guys. If this video was valuable, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Up next, I'm going to be showing you guys what I have been doing lately for the last year and a half to stimulate more growth to get my hair to this length. I've been doing things differently. Make sure to subscribe so you get a notification on when that video goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.